people will call K-Map, that is a Karnaugh Map. Karnaugh is a scientist. He was implemented or developed this K-Map in 1953. 1953. Sir, what purpose they are implemented? He implemented this K-Map to avoid the complexity of designing of the circuit, to avoid the solve the circuit through the Boolean expression. If you use Boolean expression to design the logic circuit, it is very complex. So that white shirt. What's your paint problem? Huh? So, yeah, Boolean expression, if you want to solve, it is a complex. It will take time for understanding, for minimizing. That is why Karnaugh is implemented a pictorial representation, graph representation, picture-oriented representation, so that human beings are going to understand very easily instead of Boolean expression. So he implemented this technique. It is very famous, this K-Map in electronics design. The subject completely, whenever they want to connect, so they will use this map. This map is going to play a good role, because I told you, instead of complex problem understanding, the designing of graphical representation is very easy. So he designed that graph. So that is why here, whenever you are going to design a circuits, next second we need to design circuits. For that circuit designing, this is one of the important role it is going to play in the steps. That is why please try to understand more. Use it to simplify Boolean algebra expressions faster. Use it to simplify Boolean algebra expressions. మధ్యలో డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకండి అని చెప్తే మధ్యలో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన టైం తక్కువ ఉంది, వీ షుడ్. అయినా సరే కూర్చొని ఆయన ముచ్చట చెప్తున్నాడు, ఆయనకి ఏందో ఆడ ఇంటలేడు, వీడు చెప్తున్నాడు ఏందో. జనరల్లీ 2 to 4 variable K-maps will be developed variable expressions, 2 to 4 variable expressions can be solved by using K-Map method. K-Map is nothing but pictorial representation to solve of the Boolean expression, to solve the Boolean expressions, to solve the Boolean expressions without using Boolean laws and theorems. Without using theorems. Boolean means whenever you want to solve, whenever you want to design a circuit, compulsory it should be depending on a Boolean expression. Already you know Boolean expressions, we have discussed in the first unit. Yes or no? Boolean expressions. Yeah, we should depending on that. But whenever you want to work out Boolean expression, identity rules you should remember always. Identity rules, I told you 16 rules. So those rules always you should remember. Sometimes you are unable to understand the big complex expression. To avoid this, without using laws and theorem, Karnaugh is implemented a K-Map. That is maximum we are going to develop 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. Even more than 4 variable also we can develop using K map, but it is a complex, but that is not required for your academics. Okay, that is also possible. Okay, up to 4 variables we can. And first understand how to design a K map for 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. I will draw one by one. 2 variable. 2 variable K map representation. Simple, actually simple. Don't get any tense. Actually easy. Some extra effort is required. That's it. If it is required extra effort, next it is very easy. Simple. Okay. 2 variable K map. Means in your Boolean expression, how many variables are going to include? 2 variable only. Either A or B. A, B, you can take it. Whatever the variable you want to take. Only 2 variables are going to include in this Boolean expression, as well as your logic circuit also 2 variable, means 2 inputs. Got it? The meaning. So, how to represent 2 variable K map? So, 2 variable K map means generally one cell is going to represent 0 or 1. So, 2 variable K map means what will happen? 2 power n. Is n equal to number of variable here. N equal to number of variable. In this 2 variable case, 2 power n is nothing but a 2 power 2. Are you clear? 4. So we need 4 cells for representing of the 2 variable K map. Are you clear? N is nothing but number of variables in your Boolean expression. Remember, don't forget this. Clear? So for this, how to represent your 2 variable K map means 4 cells. So this is the 4 cells. A, one variable, B, other. Sir, why should we write A here, B here? I want to write A top, B left. No problem. You can do it. Are you clear? Yeah. The representation of the cells are 0, 1, 0, 1. Got it? Are you following? Yeah. So, sir, how to represent? For example, the given input is AB equals to 1, 0. 1, 0. If they are given. So, then how to represent? What is A value here? A value 1. 1. What is B value? 0. 1, 0. So, you can represent like this. 1. Always you represent 1. 1 is nothing but it is a grouping. Are you following? Problem is clear? So, you will get how many combinations? 2 power 2, how many? Vadanti brain. Very simple. Clear? So, shall we go for 3 variable? Actually is easy. 3 variable K map means how many variables are possible here? 3. So what is the number of variables? 3. So 2 power, how many cells are there? 2 power 3 means how many cells are required? 8 cells are required. Yes or no? So here 2 ways. All I told you in here also. I told you, sir, why should we write A here, B here? I want to write A top, B left. No problem, you can write. Don't copy as it is. Clear? But you apply the logic. Apply the logic while you are preparation of your K map Boolean algebra, Boolean expression. Are you following? How to do, I will leave later. First understand this. First understand 3 categories of K maps. Next, rules to implementation of K map. This is only the graphical representation I am showing. How to implement rules I will tell. After the rules, then some problems will do it. Once the problems are over, we'll go for the second unit, combinational logic circuit we are going to design. Are you clear? Yes, please. Time undi inka. We'll speed up the things. 2 power 3 equal to 8. మీరు ఫాస్ట్గా ఉంటే మొత్తం 1 యూనిట్ కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు నేను మీరు అట్లా ఫాస్ట్గా లేరు ఫస్ట్ మధ్యలో డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకండి So 2 power 3 equal to 8. Now tell me, how to possible? How many cells are required? 8 cells. So this is horizontal representation. Yes or no? Sir, what is vertical representation? Vertical representation also possible. Sir, whatever you are convenient, you can take. How to do vertical representation? Tell me. Super. Right. Sir, how many variables are possible? 3. 3 means you can consider A, B, C. Right? Sir, how to write? How to write A, B, C? A, B, C. Are you following? Are you following? A, either 0 or 1. B, C, 2 digits are. Yes or no? Yes or no? How to write? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Please, every cell movement in the first I told you somewhere. Every cell movement moving, here 1 bit will be changing. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Are you following? Otherwise, you go with your numbers. You can understand. For example, I will tell you how to do this. 0, 0, 0. How much? 0. మీకు ఇట్లా కూడా చెప్తాను ఇంకొక బ్రెయిన్లో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 001 వాట్ ఇస్ ద 001 1 దట్ ఇస్ వై దిస్ ఇస్ 1 రైట్ సార్ నో 011 3 2 ఎక్కడికి పోయింది 2 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది 010 ఆర్ యు హియర్ హౌ ఐ హావ్ డిజైనింగ్ ద గ్రాఫ్ ఆర్ యు ఫాలోయింగ్ గాట్ ఇట్ Then we go to this 1, 0, 0, 4, 5, 6. నేను కూడా చెప్తున్నాను 7. So this is the logic. Are you following? That is why I am giving the number to that cell. So that easy, I don't need to do any Boolean algebraic functionality. Use this graph, map. Automatically you extract what you want. Very simple. Clear? Yeah. One more point also will tell you here. Sir, why should I take A here? Okay, I will write A, B, C here. Yes, no problem. Are you following? A, B, C. This side is 2, right? Instead of writing this side, I should write 1. What do you need to write here? A, B, C. Are you following? That is also correct. Both will work same. Sir, what do your wish? Are you following? So same you apply here. This is vertical representation. Are you following? Following? For example, our input is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. What should we, where we are going to activate your circuit? In which bit we should activate? In which location we should activate? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Here. It was active. Like that, how many different combinations of inputs are there? That you need to consider. Are you following? So now tell me, sir, this is also same. This is horizontal representation. This is vertical representation. Same. How many cells are there? 8 cells are there. 2 power 3 is there. మీకు బాగా నవ్వొస్తుంది ముగ్గురికి స్టాండప్ 3 గర్ల్స్ తొందరగా టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నది చెప్తే కూడా మీకు అదే బుద్ధి లేకుండా ఉంటారు సో టెల్ మీ హౌ టు రైట్ హియర్ AB are you clear? Otherwise you can write A here BC. Yes or no? Don't write B here. B is a middle portion, right? You can B is a middle A B C lo B is a middle portion, right? So single we cannot do it. Yes or no? Either you can take AB or you can take BC. Are you clear? So now 0, 1. Now tell me 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Simple raskondi. Otherwise, these numbers also you can understand. Okay, corner bit you can write. Are you following? Same example, how to represent 0 1 0. What is the AB value? ఇక్కడ చూడాలి చూడండి. AB value చూడాలి కదా. We are moving from left to top. AB values are 0 1. Where is the 0 1? 0 1. Next 0. Then 0 1 0. This is the representation. We are going to add many bits. Just I'm giving the input how to do. Got it? 3 variable K map is clear. Then we'll go for 4 variable K map. Following? Yeah. 4 variable K map. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి 2 power n means 2 power 4. So how many cells are required? 16 cells are required to represent your K map. కూర్చోండి, ఒకరు వచ్చి ముందు కూర్చోండి, మధ్యలో అమ్మాయి ముందుకు రా, నువ్వే అందరూ డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నావు వాళ్ళ ముగ్గురు ముందుకు రా, మొత్తం ముందే కూర్చోవాలి, ఫస్ట్ మొత్తం బ్యాగ్ తెచ్చుకోండి. నా టైంలో ఎక్కువసేపు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయలేదు, అయినా సరే చేస్తుంది. సో హౌ టు రిప్రజెంట్? Here 16 cells we need to represent. Yes or no? Means 4 variables are possible. What is that? A, B, C, D. Right? Otherwise, you can write AB here, CD here. Okay? Come. So this is top side, this is left side of the K map. Then how to represent your cells? You can give your numbers also. As I told you, cell number based on your number. 0 0 0 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. Mistake? Huh? 0 0 0 1. How much? ఇక్కడ this is 0 1 2 3. What happened? Zero 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. ఇక్కడ రాసానా? Right. Then come to here 4 5 6. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Right, very good. 8 9 as per your numbering you will get this. Clear? So this is the 4 variable K map representation. For example, ABCD equals to 1 0 1 1. Input is like this. Then active cell is what? 1 0 1 1. What is the active cell? 1 0 1 1. This is that. What vertical? Use brain. Here, equal number of cells are there inside. How? Okay. Got it? So, next, rules for okay. Ryan. Rules for K-map simplification. Board koddiga outunduku. Okay. Rules for K-map. Whenever you want to design, this is only representation. How to represent one variable K-map, two variable K-map, and four variable K-map. Then how to simplify K-map for implementation of your circuit. So some rules are there. Please note down. First rule: groups may not contain zero. Groups. First statement: groups may not contain zero. అంటే ఏంటో చెప్తాను. For example, whenever you are generating output, it will generate 1. Then you can consider this is a group. Whenever your output is 0, for example, that 0 is not going to consider as a group. What is group? I will tell you later. First of all, understand, whenever in your K-map, we are going to grouping only ones, not zeros. That's the first rule, remember. Are you clear? Second, we can group. Second rule, we can group 1, 2, 4, 8 or 2 power n cells. 1, 2, 4, 8, 8 వస్తుంది 16. Nothing but 2 power n cells. Means 1 also 2 power 0. Are you following? Like that you can. Means what is the meaning? For example, I will tell you. If 1, 1 is there, 1, 1 is there in your circuit K-map, you can group these two into one group. So this is a double group. Are you clear? If one more 1, 1 is there, this is a quarter group. Sir, here 0 is there, 1 is there. We cannot do any group for this 0. Already I told you group must be for ones, not 0. First rule. Got it? So you can group either 2 power n numbers. Okay? Third rule. Each group should be as large as possible. Each group should be as large as possible. Means always you try to check the large group. Are you following? Always you try to check with the large group. For example, 1, 1, 1, 1 is there. So here we can do is 2 doubles also. Yes or no? But what we need to consider? What is the large group? Instead of 2 doubles, what we can do? Quarter group. Remember the terminology. Quarter group is the largest one. So that your designing of circuit is very easy. Sir, I should use 2 double. Yes, you can design the circuit for 2 doubles also. Again, circuit will be a confusion. We need to simplify circuit diagram, the Boolean algebraic expression, to consider a largest group. First of all, you think about hexagonal, but the total it is there, then you can take. Otherwise, go to the quarter. Otherwise, octal. Otherwise, go to the quarter. Otherwise, go to the double. Otherwise, finally go to the single. Single is a complex thing actually. Your expression will be English. I will show you example. Are you clear? Fourth rule. Rules అయిపోయినాక వదిలిపెడతాను. Fourth rule. మీరు చదువుకోండి, రేపు కాదు 2 to 4 వస్తాను. Fourth, cell containing 1 must be group. 2 o'clock sharp ఉండాలి. ఊక మధ్యలో వచ్చి సార్ అనొద్దురాను. Cell containing 1 must be group. Cell containing 1 must be group. అంటే 1 ఉందనుకోండి, you should be prepare a group. Don't leave that 1. If it is not connecting any other symbol, you should take 1 group, single group. Yes or no? So cell contains 1 must be a group. Cell contains zeros means not required. You neglect it. You should be group if the number 1 is there in the cell. Fifth one. Amen. అయిపోయిందా మీరు రాయండి మీకు ఎంత బాగా నేను చెప్తాను ఫిఫ్త్ గ్రూప్ మే ఓవర్లాప్ గ్రూప్స్ మే overlap means for example here 4 ones are there here 1 is there are you following here for these 4 ones what we need to do these 4 groups what we need to do one quarter group is done then this one is there sir instead of using single group for this one you check any overlap is possible because if you take a